Hello friends, this is your girl Goldilocks here, and as you can see from our lovely video there, we're gonna make an awesome Queen of Hearts / Valentine's Day gift wrap. So yeah, let's get started. So these are the supplies we're using. As you can see, we have some felt hearts, rhinestone ribbon, scissors, tape, and all that jazz. So these big hearts here actually came from a table runner that I got from Dollar Tree, and it's really kind of too big for my table. So I said, hey, why not make it on, why not put it on a gift? So this gift wrapping paper here is so beautiful. It comes from Amazon. Actually comes in a 3-pack. The link will be in the description if you want it. It is beautiful, very high quality, nice paper. Yeah, so we're just gonna start here I'm just gonna start here by gluing my felt hearts onto my package. Obviously when somebody opens this bad boy, they're probably gonna have to use some scissors because yeah, we're securing it. We don't want to make it too tight though. As you can see, I'm not putting the hot glue everywhere on the package, just certain ends to make sure it's secure. And as you can see, there's like a little bit of wrinkling there on our felt hearts. So what I eventually ended up doing was just steaming that out of the hearts later after the glue was set. But you can also steam it before you put it on. That's probably advisable, or iron it if you have an iron. So just FYI, don't worry too much about those wrinkles. They'll eventually will be gone. Okay, so I bought this pack of these felt hearts here because I just thought they were so cool. Yeah, they're awesome. So what I didn't realize is that they came with hearts, but they also have other little felt things, like they have arrows, and one of them says love, and there's some keys in there. So I really love these, and what I did is just separate them so I can decide what is going where. And I'm just going to use the hot glue gun to place my felt hearts and keys and love all over my packages. It came with a whole lot of them. I think it was like, I don't know, maybe 15 to 20 different pieces. So it was really awesome. Again, cost me $1.25 at the dollar store, so you cannot beat that. So while we're watching, guys, I just want to remind you, please hit the like button. Always hit the like button when you come in the door to show your appreciation. And of course, please subscribe to the channel so that we can see more of this awesome decorating goodness. Also, please make sure you watch the video to the end so you can see the final product, because I can assure you it is awesome. Okay. So as we continue, again, I'm just finishing gluing all my felt onto the packages, and I don't know, I just really love using hot glue. It is so awesome. It sticks really well, and it like rarely damages anything. So here's our final product for the felt part of our wrapping, and as you can see, it looks freaking awesome. Who is not gonna love this when you see it? Like, it's so cool. And honestly, if you look at it, you could probably stop here if you really wanted to. I mean, it's amazing and so affordable. Oh my gosh. Yeah, and they have a lot of different of these little ornament felt hearts at Dollar Tree, so you can make your packages awesome. So now we have our rhinestone ribbon, because I like to add a little bling. I don't know what it is, but I just love some rhinestone ribbon. It is so pretty, it is sparkly, and it just adds like luxury to any package that you have. I did it once and I fell in love, and now we're at it again. Okay, now this package already has a lot of like character and personality, and the highlight is like love, Queen of Hearts, all that jazz. So I'm really not gonna do too much rhinestones, because that's just really not what the package is about. It's just gonna be like a little added detail to just make it, just nice, class it up a little bit, just a little bit more. But again, if you don't want to use the rhinestones, you don't have to. The rhinestone, this ribbon, which is a light pink rhinestone ribbon, I got on Amazon. Again, I will link it in the description with the wrapping paper if you wanted. Absolutely love rhinestone ribbon. So I chose to make this ribbon like a little thin, because again, it's not the highlight of our package, so I don't want to I don't want to do too much. I don't want to overdo it because I definitely could if I wanted to. So I just end up gluing it just in one place. I didn't glue like the whole thing. I just glued it where the ends meet because again, this is a package, and while I do want it secure, I don't want it, impossible to get into this package. So as you can see, probably right there, that's where the ends meet, and that's where I glued it. And so I decided to make not a traditional ribbon because I don't know, I was just doing something different, and I ended up just making like 4 loops and then just like putting some ribbon around the middle to kind of clean it up. I wanted it to be pretty and noticeable, but I just didn't want it to be too big because I have a tendency to make these bows like really large and in charge. So I wasn't really trying to do this. I think in the future I could probably find a lot better way to make this type of bow, but this is what I did for now. I just again made those individual loops and I glued them together. That's what I'm doing right there. And I tried to make them as even as possible. I think I achieved that for the most part. And yeah, so I'm just gonna let the video rock out and finish up. Again, you guys can see I'm doing these loops here. You'll eventually see the finished product. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. I'll be back in a second. All right, guys, here's our finished product. Oh, I love this. It's so cool. So there's something I didn't like. Oh, see, there it is. I didn't like that top part there flopping down. So we gotta fix that. So all I did is just use a little bit of hot glue and glued it down. And now you'll see as I flip the package over, there we go. Only the bottom ones will move. And since I don't plan on putting this upside down or on the side, it'll be fine. So I can lay it down or stand it up, and that's how I plan for it to stay right there. So it is perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, like and subscribe so I can see you in the next one.